Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling in.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So what are we doing today? I thought we would try and maybe do a flower pour. I haven't done one in a little while and I thought why not? So let's see what we can do with it. Alright, so I am using Platinum Ultra Clear. It is a low viscosity resin, but I let it sit for 5 minutes, no longer than that, because it's quite a hot day here today. I am using Holbein colors. This is the magenta, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it's not that strong, so I could actually do one more drop. And that's it, because I don't want it too strong. I'm using Custom Craft for the white, and I'm going to use I've got 5 grams in here, and I'm going to add some gold to that. So it's very little, because I find that gold overtakes everything. So I don't like to put too much. I've got my window open and my Resonance Purify going. Safety first, everyone, remember that. We'll do the white, and I also have 25 here for the white. So I've done 4 drops for the white, and I'm going to leave it at that. That's my white. That's for my push. Okay, so I'm going to start off by adding this in the bottom. Making sure that I go like this to remove those pesky bubbles. These little bubbles out. And I will fast forward this because it'll be just me dropping dots. And when I finished doing the dots all over, I did a small push of clear in the middle. So I did the gold in circles, but I didn't tape it. But it was just done little circles all the way. All right, so now in the rest of the push, I am going to add some ultramarine blue to it. Just 2 drops. I don't want to make it too strong. And away we go. Give it a quick torch. And I am going to do a gold center. And this is just a glitter from Resin. And I'm going to wait. You see how it's very runny at the moment? That is going to spread everywhere. So I'm going to wait until it's a little bit more set before I put it in the middle. All right? Okay, so bye for now. Okay, so I'm adding the glitter now. And I think that that will do it because I don't want too much glitter in the middle. Okay, so now we'll let it do its magic. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm back. So let's have a look. Okay, I'm happy with that. The gold a little bit too much in there. I can see some of the gold in the sides. I've lost most of the blue. Most of the blue is gone. It's sort of like a grey blue now. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Remember, we all have magic in us, so be kind to one another. Bye for now. Stay magical.